Hey friends, and welcome back. So everyone knows how much I love Christmas decor, but this year I'm planning ahead and already thinking about my home decor for after the holidays. Today I'm excited to have partnered with Christmas Tree Shops andThat to give our living room a cottage chic refresh using items from their new Petal and Stone line, available in stores the day after Christmas. After all of the chaos of Christmas is over, I love to introduce a neutral and calming decor palette into our living space. Christmas Tree Shops andThat's Petal and Stone line is just that, effortlessly chic, romantic, and fresh. This line has the best of both worlds, with shabby chic wall decor, storage solutions, farmhouse-style bedding, and more. I'm so excited to share this exclusive sneak peek of this incredible line styled in our home. My favorite part of our living room is our fireplace, and I absolutely love to switch up the decor in this space every season. For the transition into spring, I hung up this gorgeous white floral wreath and then layered this beautiful Petal and Stone wood-beaded mirror in front of it. This lush floral garland and some fresh flowers add the perfect touch of color to our mantle. And you guys, how adorable is this little photo clip holder? I'm loving the white distressed paint, the stacked base, and the filigree frame around the top. Too cute. I printed and clipped a vintage bird postcard to add some spring ambience to it, and I'm loving how it turned out. I'm absolutely loving these beaded and distressed wooden candle holders. They're beyond gorgeous and they look so high-end. I love to add these to either side of my mantle for a balanced and elegant look each season. On the other side of the mantle, I just added some fresh flowers and greenery in a mason jar that I already had on hand, and I'm loving the spring look. The neutral tones of this gray, blue, and white basket are perfect for the transition from winter into spring. These beautifully textured pillows have the most ornate stitching and fun tassels and complete the look on our hearth. Another really fun spot to decorate in our living room is this space over the couch. It gets a makeover every season, and I am loving the shabby chic vibes that Petal and Stone's new line brings to this space. How fun is this romantic white frame with the lamb's ear and peony floral accents? I just love the touch it adds to the gallery wall. On the shelf above the couch, I added a ton of my faves from the Petal and Stone line, including this really cute rustic open weave basket with a bundle of flowers inside. This romantic white distressed frame with a lavender print inside. This cute little wooden house decor with the beads that says Home Sweet Home. A marble and wire planter with faux greenery, and this cute rustic bird cage, which I just put a candle in there. Above the shelf, we hung this beautiful beaded arch. This is one of my absolute favorite pieces from the new line. It is so gorgeous. It has a great weight to it, a ton of ornate detail. I love the beading around the edges, the distressing. It's gorgeous. On the other side of the shelf, a filigree frame with another little vintage botanical print, and the cutest little bird cage clock round out the gallery wall. I'm telling you guys, these pillows from the Petal and Stone line are so good. They add a pop of perfect springtime blue to our couch. On the end table, I added this beautiful detailed white lamp, another romantic gray toned frame with a vintage botanical print, and the rustic bird cage with another LED candle. This adorable little burlap tote with lace trim and rope handles is the perfect storage solution for any knickknacks or electronics. You guys, I refinished our coffee table in the living room. I am obsessed with how it turned out. What do you guys think? To it, I added this gorgeous whitewashed beaded tray with rope handles, of course from the Petal and Stone line, and nestled inside this colorful floral arrangement with a marble planter, some lamb's ear I already had on hand, and yes again, the rustic bird cage, and I just tucked a candle in there. I also added some decor to our TV area, which you guys rarely get to see. I am so obsessed with this white wall arch from the new line. It is incredibly heavy and so ornate, and you will not believe that the price point is under $40. I think that this piece is exactly what the large space over our television needed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this exclusive sneak peek of Christmas Tree Shops andThat's Petal and Stone line. Be sure to head into your local stores the day after Christmas to check out all of the unique and beautiful goodies. And click the link in my description box down below to head over to their website for their store locator, inspiration ideas, and some more product information. So until next time, you guys, enjoy the holidays.